video review of the Adidas Crawe 510 uh, shoes, climbing shoes from Adidas. On the bottom here is using Stealth C4 rubber, which all the pros are raving about since it's supposed to be really sticky. This shoe is slightly asymmetrical, going this way, and it's got a two-piece rubber with a very flexible midsole. And on the back here, um, it, if you've watched my hang angle review, it used to have a one piece of rubber going down the middle here. It still has it, but it's fairly flat and wide now. So this is kind of like, maybe it's hard to pick up on the camera, but this is where the rubber starts and this is where the rubber ends. So it's a much wider piece. In terms of the fit of the shoe, these are size 9 and I'm usually street size 8.5, and the size 9 are definitely too big. So I recommend sizing them the same as your street size, shoe size. On the toe here, it's got a piece of rubber for toe hooks. And in terms of getting in and out of the shoes, there's a one-piece Velcro lacing system. It's got this microfiber slash mesh upper, and does feel quite good on the feet. And of course you got the two pull tabs, as with all modern shoes. In terms of getting it in, it's more like a slipper. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it'll mean a lot to me. Thank you. I think Adidas introduced the Crawe model to replace the Adidas high angles, because in Canada they no longer sell the high angles. In terms of the difference between the two, the high angles were a super soft and aggressive shoe, whereas the Crawe has a slightly moderate downturn and it is kind of medium stiff. So that means no, it's kind of like an all-round shoe that is good on volumes, but as well it's gonna feel great on edges. The main concern I have about the Crawe, as with the high angles, is durability, because with the 510 high angles I basically had one season of outdoor climbing and then it needed to be resoled. So hopefully these shoes last much longer. Sizing, as I explained earlier, is best to size them on your street shoe size for a comfort fit. If you want an aggressive fit, maybe size down 0.5 to 1. Sizing kind of also depends on the shape of your feet. So for comparison, I also have worn the Scarpa Vapor V, and for those shoes, I was sized down to 7.5 from my usual 8.5 shoe size. Also have the Evolve Jashido, and from those, I would size up 0.5 to a size 9. So that just kind of gives you an idea if your shoe foot shape is similar to mine, to make your own judgment on what size to get for these shoes. Finally, I want to talk about one issue that I found, which is that on the left foot, where the rubber meets the kind of mesh of the shoe, it actually kind of digs into the top part of my feet, but it didn't do that on the right foot. So I'm not sure if this is a manufacturing defect or just a weird shape of my feet. Let me know in the comments if anybody else has also this problem.